Welcome back everybody, welcome back to the Squiffy channel, and yes, we are on the Firestick. This is my Firestick, Firestick 4K. This could be a Firestick Lite, Firestick Cube, any Fire TV device, even an Android device to be honest, but we're making it faster, quicker, slicker, and look similar to the Nvidia Shield. What do you reckon, guys? Do you believe me? Is it my Firestick? Yes, it's my Firestick, guys. 100% it's my Firestick. I'm going to show you how to install it, set this up, and make it also stay permanently so you can get rid of this bloated user interface, this ad-ridden, slow, sloggy, is that even a word? This user interface which comes with Amazon TV. You may like it, so if you do, just watch the video, just see what we can do. You don't have to do it, but I'm going to show you how to run it so it's nicer. Before we do that, if you can, do remember, come over to the Squiffy channel, do hit the subscribe button. It'll be under the video and there'll be a little bell there, ring that notification bell. If you want to, there's an optional join as well. We are currently bringing back all our basic videos and our guides, plus some tip videos for streaming, devices, Fire Sticks, Nvidia Shields, tech, everything, all back on this channel. We've been pushing hard this week, and we're flying, guys. And if at any point you have any questions, feel free to pop over to my Facebook channel. That is linked underneath as well. Hit a follow, ring that bell, and you will see when I'm live. I do game there, but you can chat and ask me anything. Don't worry, guys. Just come and say hi. So, what are we doing today? We're going to make this set up so it looks like pretty much a Nvidia Shield, guys. So what we need to do is install a couple of things. So we need to get a couple of apps and we will then set it up and install it. So to install anything on your Fire TV devices, we need this downloader. Most of you probably have it by now. What I'm going to do is show you how to quickly install it. Then we're going to go and get two things from my website, and then we can make it much easier to use and completely customizable, guys. So first things first, onto your magnifying glass. Type in here downloader. If you are on the new user interface, which you may be by the time you're watching this video, we will probably have to go through a lot of guides again soon once everyone updates a new user interface. What you can do is just go to the find section and where it says search, and you can search for downloader. Here we go. This will be free to download from the Amazon store, so feel free to get that downloaded now. No problem at all. After you've downloaded that, we need to go to your settings. Then go to My Fire TV, Developer Options, put ADB debugging on, Apps from Unknown Sources on. Okay, nice and easy. Push your home button, back into downloader, and we're going to go now to my website. So in here, we just type this URL. So it's docsquiffy.com/downloads, guys, okay? That link is linked directly underneath in the description, and it'll be in the pinned comment as well. You can check this out on your mobile phone first, or even on your PC if you want to come and check out my website. We've got giveaways there. We've got loads of other downloads. Feel free to check it out. We hit go. This downloads page is full of content you may like, but today we're just after two items. So first, scroll past the subscribe button. Don't do it there. Directly under the video, you'll see a subscribe button. You drop your comments down there. You hit me a like. And we keep going all the way down today. Past the downloaders and tool, media players, apps, VPNs, websites. Here we go. Amazon Fire Stick and TV launchers. First thing we want is Launch Manager. This will help us make it stay permanently, guys, if you want to. We can obviously, by permanently, we can also revert it as well. So don't worry, you won't break anything. So hit download. You hit install, and that will install for you. You then click done and delete. And delete. We then push the back button back to my downloads list. And then today we want Lean Back Launcher, okay? We have done videos on Wolf Launcher in the past, and we're going to be doing some more going forward. So if you want to see more of these videos, do remember to hit that subscribe button. So we get this one and we download this one as well. There we go. Download. Click install. Nice and easy, guys. Really simple. And then click done and delete. And delete. So we're done on this page now, guys, okay? So home button, back to your home screen, and then hold down the home button so we can find what we've just installed. Click on apps, and the one we want to go to is this yellow cog icon. If you're on a new Firestick Lite, it may not display. So you might need to go into your applications and find it. It's called Launcher. It's called Launcher Manager, sorry. And this was actually created by tech.uk. You all know tech.uk. Big shout out for him for this one because it makes our life a lot easier, guys. A lot easier. So what we're going to do is disable stock launcher. Click it. We allow the USB debugging, so you need to make sure that is turned on, like we said earlier. Right, that's disabled the Amazon user interface. That will keep this working permanently. So when you push your home button now, you will get a selection of all the launchers you have installed. And the one we've just installed is called Home Screen, it comes up as on here. Okay, Home Screen. So you click Home Screen, and that will load this one up. And it's very similar to the Nvidia Shield user interface. I know it may be a couple of, say, updates prior to it, but it's very cool, guys. You can customize this. You can have all your apps here in different sections. We've got a video section, music section. We've got apps, and they're all here. And how fast it moves around is amazing, guys. No advert at the top, anything like that. It's all here. So easy to find, so easy to see. Notification, launcher settings. Here you can obviously change apps, games, rows, hidden applications. It's brilliant, guys. We're going to do another video in the future, really getting into this and how to customize it. So again, do subscribe if you want to see that. We're going to do it for, we'll work on the Nvidia Shields as well and other Android boxes. So you can check that out. If you need to go back, well, to make it stay, sorry, push your home button. So when it says use home screen, just say always. And this now, every time you push your home button, it's there permanently, folks, permanently. Then to change it or to go into your normal settings, you need to go back to the yellow cog icon, which is suddenly now called settings. And here, you can get all your MiFi TV, manage applications, network, all your normal settings here. Or you can enable stock launcher. Push your home button. And we're back on the Firestick user interface again. Yay. Oh, boo. Nice and easy, guys. Nice and easy. What did you think of that one? Let me know. Do remember, guys, get your subscription. Subscribe. It's free. Ring that bell. You just stay up to date and get all these great videos for free. Way. Remember, also, if you want a VPN, we've got Ivacy VPN underneath at $1 a month for 10 devices. That one is 10 devices. And we've got IP Vanish underneath at $3.33 a month. But that is a year plan, and that covers unlimited devices, guys, and some crazy speeds since their new server upgrade. You can follow me on Twitter, link will be underneath. Follow me on Facebook, link will be underneath. But make sure you subscribe, and we'll be back tomorrow, maybe Monday, whatever day I release this on, I can't remember. We'll be back soon with a new one. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you then.